Join the wash, don't wipe revolution. Experience Brondell Swash Luxury Bidet Toilet Seat. Easily self-installed, the Swash provides a luxurious upgrade to your existing toilet. The Swash has been specifically engineered for North American toilets, with a sleek shape for a perfect toilet fit, and a hidden pocket to ensure that the electrical cord and water hose stay tucked out of sight. The design is like nothing else on the market, blending into the decor of any bathroom. Stainless steel has proven to be more hygienic and longer lasting than industry-standard plastic. That's why we use stainless steel for our dual nozzle system. Fresh, aerated water flows through the nozzles, providing both posterior and feminine washes. Each nozzle is adjustable to one of 7 positions and offers water pressure adjustment. Unique to the Swash is a variety of spray widths, ranging from a narrow, concentrated stream to a wide, gentle spray. The oscillation function gently moves the nozzles back and forth for a thorough clean. A heated air dryer features adjustable warm air temperature, allowing for a hands-free experience. The nozzles self-clean after every wash, with the additional feature of on-demand sterilization, providing extra assurance that your nozzles remain germ-free. The Swash provides endless warm water washes with 4 temperature settings, thanks to its innovative tankless ceramic core heating system. An active carbon deodorizer neutralizes bad odors at the source, ensuring that the Swash keeps your bathroom environment fresh and clean. The sleek wireless remote control has a magnetic dock and is specifically designed for easy operation. The remote allows you to store your wash preferences with 2 programmable user settings and offers a one-touch auto setting for any user to experience a full wash and dry cycle. You deserve a better bathroom experience. Join the Wash, Don't Wipe revolution today.
Remove your existing toilet seat and thoroughly clean your toilet. Turn off the water supply at the shut-off valve at the wall to stop the flow of water. Flush your toilet and hold down the flush handle until the water is fully drained. Unscrew the flexible water supply line from your fill valve at the toilet. You may want a small bucket or towel handy to catch any residual water. Insert the black rubber washer into the T-valve, making sure the flat side of the washer is against the valve and the raised washer lip is face up. Connect the T-valve to the fill valve under the toilet tank. Reconnect the flexible supply line to the bottom of the T-valve. To mount the bidet seat, place the mounting plate on the toilet over the bolt holes. Place the adjustable brackets in the plate over the holes and slide the bolts through the holes in the toilet. Secure the bolts with the provided washers and nuts, but leave the bolts loose enough to allow the seat position to be adjusted later. Connect elbow side of the bidet hose to the Swash's water inlet. Place the Swash flat onto the toilet in front of the mounting plate. Slide the Swash toward the tank onto the mounting plate until you hear the mounting clips snap into place. To adjust the position of the seat, slide the seat forward or backwards for the best fit and tighten the nuts under the toilet. Connect the open end of the bidet hose to the T-valve. Turn on the water supply and check for leaks. If there are no leaks, plug the Swash into the nearest GFI outlet. The bidet will immediately power on, illuminating the power and seat temp lights. For a cleaner look, use the included cable clips to connect the power cord to the bidet hose. To install the batteries in the remote control, remove the remote from the remote base and turn over to reveal and remove the battery cover. Insert the 4 coin-style batteries, plus side up, and reattach the battery cover. To test the remote, press the spray width button 1 time. 1 or more LED lights above the button will illuminate if the batteries are installed correctly. To use the bidet normally, sit on the bidet seat, ensuring skin contact with the seat sensor, and start a wash by pressing either the rear or front button on the remote control. If testing the Swash bidet before first use, place the palm of your hand directly on the seat sensor and press the rear or front button on the remote control. Please be careful as water will spray out of the toilet bowl. Congratulations, your Swash installation is complete. Please refer to the owner's manual for instructions on how to properly operate and maintain your Swash.